To get a resume written, you have a few options. 1. Write it yourself. If you're comfortable with writing and have a good understanding of resume best practices, you can write your resume yourself. There are numerous online resources and guides available that can help you structure and format your resume effectively. 2. Use a resume template. If you prefer a structured format, you can use resume templates available in word processing software like Microsoft Word or online platforms. These templates provide pre-designed layouts that you can customize with your own information. 3. Hire a professional resume writer. If you want assistance in creating a professional and tailored resume, you can consider hiring a professional resume writer. These experts have experience in crafting resumes that highlight your strengths, achievements, and skills effectively. They can work with you to gather information, understand your career goals, and create a polished resume. Look for reputable resume writing services or individual resume writers who have positive reviews or recommendations. 4. Seek assistance from career centers or job placement services. Many universities, colleges, and job placement services offer resume writing assistance to their students or clients. They may provide workshops, resources, or one-on-one consultations to help you create a strong resume. 5. Online resume builders. Several online platforms offer resume building tools that guide you through the process of creating a resume step by step. These tools often have customizable templates and prompts to help you highlight your skills and experiences effectively. Regardless of the option you choose, it's important to tailor your resume to each specific job application. Customize your resume to match the requirements and keywords of the job description, emphasize relevant skills and experiences, and ensure that your resume is well organized, clear, and error-free. Remember to proofread your resume and consider seeking feedback from trusted individuals to ensure its quality before submitting it with your job applications.